Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Camille and I'm going to be showing you how I got those beautiful butterfly passion braids, if that's what you want to call them. So I went ahead and sectioned off my hair before. Well, I didn't do it. My neighbor did it for me. And this is the hair that we will be using. It's a pre-stretched hair and it's in number 27. And I'm also going to be using this passion twist hair as well. You can use any passion twist hair really, you don't need like any specific one. Anyone will do, in my opinion. Going in with some edge control now to put around the perimeter of my parting so that it looks more sleek. And I actually decided to do jumbo partings for this hairstyle because one, I'm not going to keep this hairstyle in for a long time, and two, I couldn't be bothered with parting my hair smaller. It's very thick and hard to part, so to avoid all of that, I just decided to go jumbo. And I think the braid looks nicer this way, but that's just my opinion. I think it looks nicer this way. I'm going to be using the knotless method for this hairstyle, and I have already separated the hair into the sections that I want it. So I had like 4 sections. So I had one just with the pre-stretched hair, which is what I'm using now. Then I'm going to add a piece with pre-stretched hair plus the passion twist. And oh guys, yeah, I actually used another passion twist in it because I only had 2 packs of the one that I showed you and it wouldn't have been enough. Well, I wanted more, so I had another bohemian twist, which I'm gonna be adding next to it. Well, I think, yeah, that's what I added. That's what I actually added there, the bohemian twist. Then I'm gonna be adding the passion twist alone. So as I go along, I'd be adding more passion twist to the hair so I could get that effect. So I'm not adding like a lot of edge control to my hair to keep it in the braid or to sleek it down more because of the fact that I'll be taking this hair out pretty soon. But I would recommend, if you plan to keep this hair in this hairstyle in for a very long time, ensure that your hair is fully sleeked down, and especially with the fact that I'm using number 27. If my hair peeks out, it's going to be totally obvious, and you don't want that. If you're using black hair, then you're kind of safer, but just to be safe, use more jam or whatever when you're plaiting the hair. Now that we're at the bottom or the end of the hair, I'm actually, to secure it, I just pull a piece of the passion twist and tied it around. I don't know how to explain how to tie something. Just watch what I'm doing, or if you have another method of tying it, you could do so. I would not recommend using rubber bands because I think the rubber band, one, it's gonna show on the number 27 hair, and two, it might secure the hair too much that when you're ready to pull it apart like I'm doing now, it might be hard to do that. So it's better to tie the hair at the end. Pretty much all you're doing is just pulling the hair apart. So one thing I want you to consider whenever you're plaiting the hair, don't do it too tightly, because when you're ready to make the butterfly effect, it's gonna be a bit difficult if the hair is too tight. I honestly did not know about this hairstyle until a couple of days ago when I was doing one of my friends' hair, and she was like, Camille, have you seen the plait that they're doing with like the butterfly thing? And I'm like, girl, what you talking about? And eventually it came up in my suggested videos, and I'm like, oh, so this is actually a real thing. So I started to research it and I started to see more videos on it. I'm like, wow, this hairstyle is really cute, and it's something that I do want to try for myself. And if I didn't know about it, I can safely assume that a lot of people don't know about it too. So please comment down below to let me know if you have seen this hairstyle before. If you're new here, please feel free to subscribe down below and join the family. Turn on your bell so that you don't miss out on any content that I post. And to my returning subscribers, welcome back, guys. If you're wondering at what point do you stop plaiting the hair, or at what point do you tie the hair, I pretty much just plait it out until the pre-stretched hair is finished and all I have left is passion twist hair, and that's when I tie it. For extra security, I tied it like 3 times. The goal for this butterfly passion braid is for it to look messy. Just like with butterfly locks, the goal for that is for it to look messy. It's the same thing. So all you're doing is pulling the hair apart so it doesn't look like an actual or a normal braid. Based on the fact that this was a completely different hair color, I could not have gone up more with the butterfly effect or pulling the hair apart because I didn't want to pull out my relaxed hair. If you want the hair to be really, really fluffy and like curly and butterfly, what you can do is add more passion twist hair. So whatever passion twist your hair you decide to use, you could add more of that and you will definitely get like that really puffy look if that's what you're going for. The main reason why we're even using the pre-stretched hair is to add volume to the hair, because if you use only the passion twist, it might not be as thick as you want it to be. So that's the reason for using the pre-stretched hair. But if you wish to use only passion twist hair, you can. You don't necessarily need to use a pre-stretched hair if you don't want to. So I've completed all my braids and this is what it pretty much looks like now. And I'm really liking it, you know. So I'm just going in to butterfly the hair some more or pull the hair apart some more so it has more of a fluffy look. I didn't need to do this. I just wanted to be a little extra. So that's why I'm going to do it again. The hair could have done with some trimming up because of the pre-stretched hair that we used, but I hate trimming up my hair. That's the worst thing you could tell me to do. I don't like to trim hair up, and I didn't necessarily need to do it for this hairstyle, so I totally skipped that process, but I would recommend that you could do it when you do your hair. So this is a new edge control that I got in my beauty supply store. It doesn't seem to be working too badly, so I'm just going in to lay my edges to neaten up the hairstyle some more.
That's a vibe, that's a vibe, oh that's a vibe, yeah.
This is my final look, and that is pretty much it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please feel free to give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below to let me know what you think. If you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Turn on your bell so that you never miss an upload. And until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.